Hey guys, welcome back to Rick's Bees. I know it's been a while, but let's get busy. I'm going to extract the rest of my spring honey that I pulled a few days ago. But first, let's do a short review on this VIVO honey extractor I got. It's a 8 medium frames, 4 deep framed extractor, and I'll tell you the good and the bad. This will be the third time I've used it. Last fall, I spun out a couple of deep frames and it worked okay. And my first harvest this year, had a couple mediums and some deep frames. So let's get on with the review. Like I said, it's a 8 medium frame, 4 deep frame honey extractor. And I got her all cleaned up, ready to go. It comes in the box. You got to put the legs on. I read comments that these welds right here have a tendency to come loose. I haven't had any trouble yet. One problem I had, before I even put it together, the little tabs on the foot, one fell off, one of the legs. Didn't give me a real fuzzy. But I mounted it to this plate, and I got some wheels on it, and that kind of takes a little of the vibration. It works real well. So let's put it together. It only takes a minute or two. So stand by. And if you do get one of these, right here, there's a ball bearing that your shaft rides on the basket. The first time I used it, I turned it upside down kind of to wash it out and clean it, and that bearing fell out and I could not find it. So I emailed VIVO customer support, told them what my problem was, and they mailed me a new one. No problem. So customer support so far, pretty good. As far as putting it together, the basket, basically you drop the shaft right here in that hole. These right here are the brackets that hold the motor assembly online. They screw into the side. Like that. I could think of a better design, but they work. Comes with this little rubber bushing that fits on the top of the shaft, and they also send you an extra one. So let's put the motor on. One of the things you have to do right here is to get this lined up with the top shaft, and it needs to be together pretty good like this. Let me see, not like that, down. It does have a screw on the bottom that you can adjust if needed, but it's where I need it to be, so I ain't gonna mess with that. And that's about it as far as putting it together. Okay, it does have safety switches right here on both sides of the lid, so it won't run unless the lid's shut. But you got an on-off switch and the speed control. Not too bad. That's about it for my review. It works pretty good for what I paid for it. I got it off Amazon. It's made in China, I'm sure. But before this, I had a 2-frame hand cranker, and it's way better than that. Basically, you turn it on, let it spin 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however long you want to, and your arm don't get sore at all. I'm going to put this thing to use tonight or tomorrow. If you guys want to check that out, see my next video, please give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.